Hey there, super excited to have you using this template. This template is constructed of a whole bunch of different components that can be used to design a PD course at KPBSD. So the modules each have a little sub video like this one that explains all of the different pieces that are included in that module example, but you can take bits and pieces of any one of the modules. This course has course settings already laid out with course covers and a homepage layout that's consistent across all of our PD courses. So some of that's not even something that you have to think about. It's all set up for you. But in the end, your goal is, now that you've imported this class in, now you want to make sure and take the pieces that you like and organize your modules for your course that you're going to teach according to what pieces best fit both your style and the needs and the content of the course. I have included an introductory module that's a pretty standardized one across all of the courses that has like registration information for UAA, where you would just plug that in. Below this video, you'll also find the UAA process of how to become an instructor and all of the different pieces in order for you to successfully run a course. And of course, I'm always around to help you in that vein, as well as Melissa Linton. She can totally do that too. The other thing is at the very end of the course, this course template is a place for you to add the evaluation form for from UAA as well. So the first and the last modules would stay. You can delete this instructor module if you want to, or just keep it unpublished. It's up to you. I would say probably delete it out of the way, simply because some people who might take your classes are administrators in Canvas, and then they would see this extra information. So if you want to keep it super streamlined for all of your participants, you might want to clean out the extra information when you're done with it. And the other thing I'll say is that don't be afraid to construct the pieces as works for you. This is a template with all kinds of examples, and you can mix and match to make your class what you want it to be. Thanks.